Okay. Um, Whenever you want to get started, I am rolling. Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go away and leave you all alone? Mm-hmm. I got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Tell me now, baby, is he good to you? Can he do to you the things that I do? Oh no, I can take you higher. Whoa, I'm on fire. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edging and dull, and cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my skull. At night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet, and a freight train running through the middle of my head. Only you can cool my desire. Whoa, I'm a big creep. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. I am NANABOOZHOO. And I was just thinking about the 80s. As you do, when one becomes an elder. Nah. But it is true, as you get older, you start looking back more. You know? I never thought I'd be one of these nostalgic people. But I can't stop thinking about the 80s. Whoa, I'm on fire. Bruce Springsteen was really popular in the 80s. And we didn't realize at the time that he was actually the creepiest one of all of them. You know, if you grew up in my town, you sort of identified between music. There were the people who liked music like Michael Jackson and Prince. And then there were the people who liked music like Bruce Springsteen and John Cougar. And you sort of thought of the John Cougar, Bruce Springsteen people as the working class. And, the Prince, Michael Jackson people were the whatever. But, I was singing that song. And I'm sure I'm not the first person to notice this, but I think such a creepy song. Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go and leave you all alone? Excuse me, Bruce? That sounds very, I don't know. Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? Now, maybe he's using the term daddy like, is your husband home? But, okay, that's gross enough. Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? And then what is it? Did he go and leave you all alone? All right, let's hope that he's talking about an adult little girl, even though this would suggest somebody who needs to be supervised. And then what? I got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Let me tell you something, Mr. Springsteen. You're going to be on fire. If this song is about what I think it is. But, and then what? Tell me now, baby, is he good to you? Okay, it's a grown-up. Tell me now, baby, is he good to you? Can he do to you the things that I do? So apparently she's been cheating on her husband already. And he's wondering, can he do the things that I do to you? Like, what do I do to you? Whatever that means. I have no idea. I don't even want to put my imagination there. But And he goes, I can take you higher. Oh, I can take you higher. I got a plane. I can fly. What do you mean? I can take you higher. But okay, Bruce, you can take her higher. Whoa, 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 I'm on fire. And you know, he just wanted to rhyme with fire. So he just threw in a line there. And then here's the really creepy part. The bridge. He goes, sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edge and dull, and cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my, not soul, through the middle of my skull. Ugh. And then he says, at night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and a freight train running through the middle of my head. All right, geez. That doesn't sound so good. He's all sweaty and he's got a headache that makes him think he's got a freight train running through his head. Only you can cool my desire. That's what every woman wants to hear. You know, I wake up in a hot sweat, in a cold sweat or whatever, with a big headache, but only you, it must be a hot sweat. Only you can cool my desire. You know, how about a cold shower? That'll cool your desire. And then, oh, I'm on fire. Yeah, that's a stupid song. It's just terrible. Why was it a hit? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not saying I hate Bruce Springsteen. What's his name? Bruce Springsteen. But that's just a gross song. So today's Ojibwe word of the day. Like, do we even have time for an Ojibwe word? Nimi iriwin. To dance with a purpose. That's what powwows are. They're dance, but it's with a purpose. In the old days, they would have a war dance. They'd have a dance before they went into battle, which is kind of sweet when you think about it. It's like, oh wow, here come the Dakota again. They're attacking our village. What should we do? Okichita. What should we do? Ogama. Should we fight? Should we run? You know what I think we should do? We should dance. Everybody dance. The safety dance. Because if we're going to war and we do a war dance, we want to be safe. We don't want anyone to get hurt out there. So you can dance if you want to. You can leave your friends behind. Because your friends don't dance. And if they don't dance, they're no friends of mine, I'll tell you that much. I'm not going to be friends with people who don't dance. I don't trust them. Even though they make a lot of sense. It's kind of silly. All right. I think that's enough for a show. I want to say miigwech. And that's an Ojibwe word. Miigwech. Let that be your Ojibwe word. I bet you didn't know that one, huh? Hey, everybody. If you want to support the show, just click the link in the description box and you can become a Patreon supporter. Give us a couple of bucks every month. Or if you just want to leave us a tip, Michael has a GoFundMe campaign going on. And we also have a Patreon page. So just click the link in the description. All right. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. like OJIBWE. Demon Wayne Dum G-A-I-on Homa Noon Goon in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.